The top 10 gratitude exercises to boost your mood and increase happiness. When was the last time you felt genuinely grateful? Grateful for your health, your family, your home, your friend. If it's been a while since you've felt genuine gratitude, don't worry, you're not alone. In our fast-paced society, it's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and forget to appreciate all the good things we have. But did you know that practicing gratitude can improve your mood and increase happiness? It's true. This blog post will discuss 10 of the most popular gratitude exercises and activities. 1. Keep a gratitude journal. Participating in a gratitude exercise can be an effective way to promote feelings of happiness and positivity. A great way to increase your well-being is to keep a gratitude journal. Take a few minutes each day to write down some things you are thankful for. This could be appreciating the beauty of nature, reflecting on moments with friends and family, noting accomplishments you've achieved, anything that brings you joy and contentment. Research indicates keeping a regular gratitude journal can increase motivation, increase optimism, help bolster relationships with others, and even provide physical health benefits. Even if it's just for several weeks, experiencing the mood-enhancing power of feeling grateful can provide tremendous rewards. Invite someone along on this journey with you. Share your insight from the journals and develop ways to recognize all that strengthens your relationships and life satisfaction. 2. Write letters of gratitude. Writing letters of gratitude to people who have helped or inspired us in our lives can be a powerful way to express your appreciation. You don't even have to mail the letters, writing them out is enough. The act of expressing your thoughts and feelings on paper is incredibly therapeutic. 3. Make a gratitude list. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools in promoting a feeling of contentment and joy, which has been proven to increase happiness. A gratitude exercise to boost your mood can be as simple as keeping a list of all the things you are grateful for in life. Writing down the things you choose to be thankful for helps us appreciate what we already possess rather than worrying about everything we don't have. This exercise never fails to shift our mindset away from the negative and towards focusing on what's truly important and special in our lives. As a result, our moods tend to lift, leaving us happier and more fulfilled. 4. Perform random acts of kindness. Taking time out of your day to practice gratitude is one of the best ways to boost your mood and make yourself feel great. Finding something positive each day, no matter how small, can give you an appreciation for where you are and serves as a reminder of all you have to be grateful for. If this resonates with you, why not take it one step further and start performing random acts of kindness? Bringing joy to those around you will increase your happiness and theirs too. Nothing beats being kind and selfless when feeling down or lonely. Gratitude exercises are easy and rewarding. It won't take long before they become part of your daily routine.